Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free multiple website link opener software for Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for the application name as bulk URL opener by the developer UniqueTutorials. Just search this name. And on the first list you will see the developer website. Just click on it. Now you can see this developer website, so you can see on the right side releases. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below and you will see here tons of files, right? So here you can see like .app image, .snap, .zip, that is you can see here these are for Linux. And you can see here it's available for Apple Mac computers, mac.zip, and it's available for Windows also, win.exe or windows.zip. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, so I'll be downloading the win.exe, or you can download windows.zip also. So here I'm gonna download this exe file. So wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading is done. So the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So you can see here, so just double click it to run the software installer. So finally the software has been installed successfully and now you can see the user interface, right? So it's a straightforward application. So you can see here URLs, so you can paste the website links here. So let me paste the website links here. So I have 3 different website links. You can add multiples up to 100, 200, how much you want to add, or 10, 20, 5, how much websites you want to open at the same time you can add it. So right now, just for your example, I'm just adding this 3 website. So let me copy it. You can type also if you wish, but I'm just copying it. And after that, paste it, and once your all URL or website links are added here, you can see here below open links. So once you click on this open links, then it will open with the default web browser. So don't expect it like it will open with across any web browsers that is being installed on your respective computer. So it will open only on the default web browser, that is which web browser you have set as default on your respective computer, it will open with that respective web browser. So let me open it. So wait for a few seconds. So right now you can see here it instantly opened the 3 websites which I have added on the respective software. So with the help of this software you can open multiple website links. So let us check the settings of this application. So you can see here tons of applications like tab creation delay, automatically open list, default list to display, current open tabs, or you can add your custom favorite list also. So I will show you in the later part of this video. You can enable night mode, custom themes, currently open tabs you can customize here, and here are some more options like how to handle non-URLs and search engine selections. You can change the search engines also like Google, DuckDuckGo and Bing, whichever you like, and open tabs active. Tons of options you can see here, auto load into text box, button look, and here one very useful features, that is you can import and export data, that is the settings which you have set here. You can export those things also. I will show you after a few seconds. And you can see here load list on browser stat, delay tab loading until tab is selected, context menus, open list in reverse order also. You can set this also if you wish, and automatically remove duplicate URLs. So if you have copied and paste similar URLs, then you can select this option which will find out the same URL that is being added on the respective list, then it will auto remove those duplicate URLs. And you can see here get debug informations. So here you can see here import, right? So before this, let me move back to the default. Here I want to show you one thing, that you can see here new list, right? So you can just create a new list, just click on it, and you can set your own list. Say in my case is favorite. I will just give it a name favorite. So you can paste the website links, and I will click on save. Okay, and now you can see here, just click on it and you can just select the favorite, and after selecting your favorite you can just click on this load list and it will show you all the website links that you have been added under this favorite tabs. So now say in order to do a backup, that means you want to do a backup someday if you need it again, then you can just go to the settings and you can see here export, right? So let me click on export and you will get this kind of something like written or any text files, right? Just press Ctrl C to copy this and just open a notepad or any note taking application and just paste it, and you can save it as a text file. And say now if someday you deleted that save list, so let me show you. Say someone has deleted this list, right? So there is no more list even if you select this save list. So in order to restore it, just open back the same application, and what you need to do is just go back to the settings, just scroll down below, and now you can see here import, right? Just click on import and now just click on paste that which you have exported and just click on import, click on OK, click on OK again. Now let's move back to URL opener, and now let's click on this. Now you can see here your favorite is moved back here, and you can just click on this load list to display all the website links. So this is very useful if you want to do a backup about your favorite which you have added using this applications. And if you want to show all the time your respective tabs or your respective folder or whatever you have set, then you can just move back to the settings and you can just select this default list to display whenever you open the application. So right now you can see current open tabs. So here you can select your folder or tabs whatever you have set. So here you can select a favorite. So once you are done, you can click on this save settings. Now you can close it, and now whenever you open it, your favorite will get displayed here. So in my opinion, it's a very useful applications which will let you open multiple website link on your respective Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So if you never known about this cool applications, then definitely you should give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to your channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.